Alright guys, we got so much to do in this year 2021. Already we got the infos of the top flagship phones which are gonna come in this year right till the end. But for now, we got the Samsung's latest Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is the high-end model from Samsung in S series. Let me tell you about this phone specs clearly. S21 Ultra has got Snapdragon 888, which is only available in US and China, and Exynos 2100 for rest of the world. I will talk about that later. It has got 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, UFS 3.1, every faster connections at its maximum. This phone has no SD card slot, which we don't need it by the way, because we got half a terabyte of storage and 16 gigs of RAM. Damn, that's high.
Nice.
This phone features a 108 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel wide-angle camera, two 10 megapixel telephoto camera, which has 3x and 10x optical zoom. You may think that Samsung is using its old sensor. No, but the device packs its latest 108 megapixel ISO HM3 sensor, which is latest from Samsung, that also lets you take video of 8K in 24 fps, but 4K at 60 fps with HDR10 Plus at its finest. It also has a 40 megapixel wide-angle selfie camera, which lets you record up to 4K at 60 fps, which is very good. So, enough about the camera. S21 Ultra has got 5000 mAh of battery with fast charge of 25 watts and wireless charge of 15 watts. You can also charge the Galaxy Buds on the back of the phone wirelessly. There's one more thing I need to tell you guys, which is very important. Samsung S21 Ultra has got QHD display with 120Hz of refresh rate. That's mind blowing, I know, right? The screen is 6.8-inch AMOLED display. That is maximum that you can get from phones these days. That's it. There's nothing much to tell. S21 Ultra is just an upgrade of S20 Ultra, or you can call it as its successor. You can ask me, then why the hell did you post this video? There are more things which are rather than its advancements and features, like disadvantages, or you can call it as disappointments. If you have come this far, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share your friends. If you are already subscribed, thank you. S21 Ultra's processor Snapdragon 888 comes only to US and China, and Exynos 2100 for rest of the world. You can ask this, why the separation? Why this problem? I don't know. Nobody knows. That's the problem. There isn't even a proper explanation for this problem. It causes performance difference between these models. Like last time, S20 Ultra with Snapdragon was 20% faster than the Exynos version. But this time the Exynos version is going to be very lower in graphics level. The Adreno 660 is going to top at graphics than Mali from Exynos this time. But they say that Exynos has higher overclocking score this time, which is very confusing. There's one more disappointment from the people that S21 has got no power brick this time. All the versions. Rather than seeing it as an issue, see it as a help or a development to our environment. By not manufacturing chargers, you help the environment by slightly decreasing the pollution, global warming, etc. Not only Apple and Samsung is doing this. Within 1 or 2 years, every smartphone manufacturer will do this. The absence of power brick. It is the truth, and you have to live with it. Samsung provides a premium slick finish to the phone, which is very good. And the two-piece design, which is my favorite. This phone's design is the best than the previous models. But one problem. It's very thick. This is the next thick boy. So finally, we have come to an end. I would like to thank you for watching this video till the end. Like, share, comment if you have any. Sub to the channel will be very thick. This is Aakhash. See you on the next video.